Hey Sarah, how's your day going?
Pretty good, actually. Busy, but in a good way. How about you?
Same here. And today's topic is something we hear about all the time.
Let me guess. Learning English with TV series.
Exactly. Everyone is watching series, but not everyone is learning from them.
Yes, and that's an important difference.
Because watching is passive.
Learning needs a little intention. Not stress, not studying, just intention.
So today, we want to show learners how to use TV series, not just watch them.
And we'll use real examples, real shows people already know.
Let's start with the most famous one.
Friends.
Of course.
This show is excellent for learners because the English is very clear and very emotional.
Yes. Characters speak with strong feelings. Happiness, surprise, frustration.
That helps learners understand meaning even when they miss words.
You might not understand every sentence, but you understand the situation.
And that's how real communication works.
So here's how learners should use Friends.
First, don't binge watch 5 episodes in a row.
Enjoyable, but not very useful.
Watch 1 episode, or even half an episode.
Use English subtitles, not subtitles in your language.
The subtitles help your ear connect sounds and words.
Notice short, repeated phrases.
What's going on? Are you okay? No way.
Those phrases appear everywhere in real life.
Learners should repeat those lines out loud.
Not perfectly, just naturally.
You're training your mouth, not taking a test.
English gym.
Wait, explain your joke.
Okay, like the gym trains your body, repeating trains your English.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now, after learners feel comfortable with Friends, they often want something newer.
That's where How I Met Your Mother comes in.
This show is faster, more modern, and more playful.
Yes, the language is still friendly, but the speed is higher.
So learners need a different goal here.
Don't try to catch every word.
Instead, listen for the story.
Who is talking? What happened? Why is it funny? This trains learners to understand English without translating, which is a huge step.
Also, this show is great for learning how people tell stories.
You won't believe this. So there was this one time. Long story short,
Learners should pause and repeat just one of those lines.
one sentence is enough.
This isn't school.
Thankfully.
Now, let's talk about a show learners often choose, but should be careful with.
The Office.
This is excellent English, but not simple English.
The challenge is sarcasm.
People say, "Great job," when they actually mean the opposite.
Learners shouldn't copy sentences from this show.
But they should observe reactions.
Faces. Silence. Eye contact.
Those moments teach how English works socially.
Especially at work.
Very awkward work.
Very awkward.
So learners can watch this show with subtitles and focus on tone, not language production.
It's advanced listening practice.
Now, one of the best all-around shows for learners is...
Modern Family.
This one is fantastic.
Because it shows many types of English.
Children, teenagers, adults, older adults.
Learners can choose one character and focus only on them.
How do they complain? How do they apologize? How do they joke?
This helps learners build emotional English.
Not just correct English, natural English.
That's what people really need.
So let's put everything together.
TV series are not teachers.
They are models.
Models of rhythm. Models of tone. Models of real-life reactions.
Use subtitles wisely.
Repeat short lines.
Enjoy the story.
If you enjoy it, you'll come back tomorrow.
And consistency beats perfection.
That's how English becomes part of your life.
Thanks for listening today.
We'll be back soon with more real English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye!